Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today's video is June empties, and I believe it is my 12th empties video. I think I'm getting ready to start over in July because I'm coming up on my year anniversary. Either that or by the time this video is posted, I'll have just passed my anniversary. But anyways, yes, it is my June empties. Before we get started, this eye look that I have is my 6th eye look using the e.l.f. JKissa palette. It is in my makeup basket this rotation. I have also filmed a 4 looks 1 palette with this, and I have another look plus this one that is or will be up on my Instagram. Well, the other look is up on my Instagram. This one should be up on my Instagram by the time that this video is up. So definitely give me a follow on Instagram and check out how I got this look plus one more, and check out my Makeup Basket Monday playlist as well as my 4 looks 1 palette using this. And now that we've got that out of the way, yes, today is June empties. So if you love empties videos, definitely keep on watching. So before we get into the empties video today, I just have to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification, that way you don't miss an upload. I do one of these empties videos every month. And if you're new to my channel, comment down in the comment section below, #DollarDiva, and introduce yourself. I love making videos about like affordable beauty and beauty on a budget. But I also do include the occasional high-end, palette or something or other, because, we all do like to splurge, and I do it very intentionally. And so I like to also help guide you if you do decide to make like a high-end purchase or splurge on something, buying the best thing that you can for the money that you do spend. So definitely make sure you're subscribed if that sounds like your thing. This month, I was really nervous about it for a while. I say that every month, if you've been with me for any length of time, that I'm always afraid there's not gonna be an empties video. And poof, there always is. Every month, there always ends up being an empties video. So I've got my empties, and we're just gonna go ahead and dive right in. 3 sunscreens, technically 2. This is another story. So these are empty. These don't last very long, and I do have a pool. So I do go through a lot of sunscreen. So I've gone through 2 of these this month. One is the CVS Health Sport 100 SPF. Oh, and apparently, okay, so this is the Banana Boat Ultra Sport SPF 100. This is the CVS version of this. So yeah, it says compared to the Banana Boat Sport Ultra Mist. So I love them both. This one actually smells amazing, and my mom was at the pool a few weeks ago, and she does not like to wear sunscreen, but I made her wear it because she's like never out in the sun, and she didn't mind it. She didn't mind the feel of it, and she really liked the smell. So yeah, but they're both great. I have not gotten sunburn. I'm tan, but like I'm not like overly tan, so it does very, very much help. So yes, I will definitely be repurchasing definitely this for sure, because I'm a big CVS shopper. But yeah, I would definitely buy the Banana Boat one as well. And then this, it still has a little bit of product in it, but it actually expired back last year. So I was using it, I've been using it for a long time. But I do wear a hat, so so there's that. This has got the SPF 50. It's a zinc lotion, which means you put it on, it's really thick and really white. But the reason why I like, and I hate that about it, and it's really hard to wash off, but what I do like about it, it doesn't make my eyes burn. So I have repurchased, not this exact one, but I got one that's also by CVS that is, it's a clear version. So it's a little lighter, and it doesn't burn my eyes either. So like I said, this is almost empty, but really it expired and I wasn't aware of it, so yeah. But I would purchase this again. I really like the one that I have right now. So if I keep up with that one, I may not buy this one again, but in a pinch, I would totally buy this again, because I like to go underwater, and I don't like for my eyes to burn. And I have a CVS face sunscreen that makes my eyes burn, so I kind of use it for my neck and chest just to use it up. But yeah, I have to make sure I have something that doesn't irritate my eyes. So I did my roots a couple days ago, and I also did a recent Sally Beauty Supply and Ulta haul. It was my first one back in a while, and I bought a bunch of stuff to do my roots with. So I did my roots, so I've got some of those products in here. I used 2 packets of highlighting powder, and they're different because I only had one of these, and I like to have 2, but when I went, they were kind of out of a lot of stuff, so I had to get a different one. But they both worked very well. This is the Ion, and then this is the Salon Care. Both work really, really well. I don't know if I had used this one before, but I've used this one several times. They have a violet and they also have a blue. So yeah, these work excellent for sure. This one says it does 5 levels of lift, and this one says it does 7, and I used it with 40 volume developer, and I was afraid of it not being even, but it really did a very, very good job. So then I also, in that same haul, I purchased and used all 3 of these Ion Absolute Perfection Booster Step 1 vials. It helps restore moisture, reduce breakage, and prevent dryness during chemical services. This is supposedly, these are like $1 something a piece. And the reason why I'm new to this product, this is only the second time I've used them, is because they're supposed to be a very inexpensive dupe for something called Olaplex, which is very expensive. But apparently you add it to your bleach, and it's supposed to help prevent your hair from breaking off. And I don't know if it works, but all I know is I don't have a ton of breakage. So for $1 something, or for just a few dollars, I'm not gonna take any chances. So I'm really glad to have found this product. So I used 3 of those. For 2 packets, you need 3. I believe that's correct. So that's what I did. So I will definitely be buying those again and again as I bleach my hair and stuff. And then I finally used this up. I bought this, I think last year sometime. It's the Ion Color Brilliance After Color Treatment. It helps close the cuticle and lock color deep inside the hair. It's like a after color conditioner. It's also supposed to stop the oxidation process after tinting, lightening, and permanent waving or relaxing. So I thought that was good, and I've used it several times. I had wanted a product that would stop the oxidation process, just because, I don't really know if there's any product left on your hair and it just keeps going and going and damaging and messing with your color. So this is a great thing to have. Usually what I do is I put my hair through a cap. I feel it's the easiest way if you're by yourself. I do the bleach, I rinse it, shampoo, then I tone, and then I rinse the toner out and I take the cap off, and then I apply the conditioner all over my head, and then I try not to shampoo for a few days. So I've had really good results, so I will definitely be buying this again. And I only use it after I color. Then I used a shampoo. This is the Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo. And I actually bought this back when I put a demi dye in my hair earlier in the year, and I didn't want it to fade too fast. I thought this might be a good shampoo, and what happened was my hair didn't fade at all because I messed up my developer to dye ratio, and so instead of doing a 2-to-1, I did a 1-to-1, and it just dyed it way darker, and it made it to where it really didn't wash out. That's a whole other story, but yeah, it didn't fade it, needless to say, but it smells lovely. I would totally buy it again, but I'm not like married to it. Like, I won't run out and buy it. I've actually already bought something else. So, but it was really very lovely, smells wonderful, and did seem to be very gentle on my hair. Then I used up a Twilight Woods, the Bath & Body Works Twilight Woods. This was in a haul video last year, and I actually have another one. I haven't started using it yet because I'm working on another lotion, but yes, I love Twilight Woods. I've got the body spray, and this is something I love to apply only in the evening, like if I take a shower at night. It's like my nighttime smell, if that makes any sense at all. But yeah, love Twilight Woods. We'll always repurchase Twilight Woods for sure. Then I used up a deluxe sample size of this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. You all know I love skincare, and I love Estee Lauder products. I think my skin's got kind of accustomed to using it, so I'm gonna take a little bit of a break, and I always end up going back to it, but I do always end up repurchasing this. And then from the Dollar Tree, I've got a Dove Beauty Cream, and I was kind of keeping this next to where I sit on the couch and using it for my hands. For $1, it's very rich but not really greasy, and it smells lovely. So really enjoyed that for sure. And I actually have another one. It's the one that comes in the blue, and so I will be working on that next. And then last but not least, and this is kind of a weird empty, I was able to find more color switches at the Dollar Tree. And so when I did, I realized how old and kind of worn my old one was. And you can kind of see the difference. This is a newer one now. I've used this for a couple weeks, but this is the old one. This is the new one. And this one has just gotten very soft. And so it's not technically empty, but I think it's kind of worn out. Now I've washed it several times. You can always wash them, but they do they kind of get soft and they start to crumble a little bit after a little while. So it lasted me about 3 months. So I'm considering this an empty, and I do have a new one and a couple backups as well. So it was kind of a short and sweet empties video. I kind of got a few products towards the end of the month, and of course, dyeing my hair helped. So I hope you enjoyed this really short and sweet empties video. If you've used any of these products, definitely drop a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think. Give this video a like by hitting the like button if you enjoyed it. And if you like empties videos, I will link my entire empties playlist down in the description box below so you can binge watch those empties videos if you love empties. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, share this video with anybody that you think might enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye.